Welcome to EDC Ideas and welcome to my next video. The question is extremely simple. Are these three items on the right too expensive? I was extremely shocked when I saw the new price of this Boker Boxer and the Benchmade sharpening tool. Yes, let's talk about the price. I talked about the Boker Boxer in my previous videos and it's one of my most used and it's one of my favorite pocket knives of all times. All in all, it's an extremely beautiful design and I love all the details. For example, the jimpings on the backlock. I bought this knife from Boker made in Solingen for 200 euros, but the new price is 260 euros. I checked the price on the Boker website and also on Knives and Tools. And I talked about the ridiculous price of the Benchmade pocket sharpening tool in my previous videos. This tool comes with a ceramic rod and a preloaded leather strap. This pocket-friendly design made by Workshop comes with a deep carry pocket clip. I bought this model some time ago for 75 euros. The price nowadays is around 90 euros. The next item of this expensive trio is the EDC titanium pry bar from Key Unity. And I have to mention that this pry bar comes with a pocket clip, but I normally carry this one without the pocket clip. All in all, this trio of the Boker Boxer, the Key Unity titanium pry bar and the Benchmade pocket sharpening tool costs 430 euros. In the first step I will talk about a much cheaper setup that's also a setup in a high quality. And in the second step I will talk about a complete EDC setup for the price of these three items. Let's start with the Buck 112 Ranger. The Buck 112 is a very popular EDC bushcraft and outdoor knife and it's a classic backlock design too. This model is available for around 70 euros. Surely we have different materials, we have different steels for example, and we have different designs. I understand everyone who says that the Boker Boxer is the more elegant design. But I think we can compare both knives together, both are classic backlock designs and both are more on the heavy duty side. Surely the steel of the Boker is the better steel. But the steel treatness, the heat treatness of the Buck knives is excellent and it's a great cutting tool for different tasks. Both knives fits perfectly into the category of a lifetime knife that's heavy duty with a lot of quality. Let's talk about a cheaper option compared to the titanium pry bar. This is the Boker Plus Tango pry bar. The design and the functionality is a little bit different, but this one comes also with a pocket clip. Yes, and it's a cool and useful EDC pry bar. This Boker Plus pry bar is available for around 22 euros. But let's talk about a cheaper version of the pocket sharpening tool. For 11 euro you can get a high quality diamond sharpener from DMT. This is the extra fine version. All DMT products are color coded, so green stands for the extra fine version. And the Benchmade tool comes with a leather strap, so we need a leather strap too. This one is the Knafs version. This version comes with the green stropping compound. The quality of the stropping compound is great and the set of the leather strap and the stropping compound is available for 22 euros. Let's come to our conclusion. We have 430 euros on this side and we have 130 euros on this side. Both sets are not comparable one-on-one. Let's talk about some differences. For example, the sharpening tool in the expensive set comes with a deep carried pocket clip. The Boker Boxer comes without a pouch, but the Buck 112 comes with a heavy duty leather pouch. Let's talk about the price development to the wrong side. Would I buy the Boker Boxer for 260 euros? No, 200 euros was my limit and I wouldn't buy this knife for the new price. And when it comes to the Benchmade sharpening tool, it's a sharpening tool with a lot of style, a great functionality, and I really like the small size. But I would not buy this product again. And let's talk about this EDC titanium pry bar too. I didn't bought this product myself. It was part of a former Instagram cooperation, but I'm not paid for this video. When we start on a clean table, what can we get for 430 euros when we want to build up an EDC kit? And when we are looking for a modern cutting option, let's talk about this Ruike 801 with the orange scales. This model is available for 33 euros. Every EDC kit needs a flashlight. This is a Phoenix PD25R, a high quality flashlight, and it's one of my most used EDC flashlights. When it comes to the size, it's perfect for the pockets and the EDC organizer. This model comes with a two-way pocket clip and it's rechargeable via USB-C. This model is available for 65 euros and it comes with this pouch. And we talked about different sharpening options in the previous sets. This is the DMT Diafold and this is the extra fine and the extra fine version. As you may know, I really like the quality of the DMT products, a high quality sharpening tool that will last for years, and this model is available for 30 euros. And let's come to a fairly expensive but very useful tool set. This is the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit with the bit kit. You get the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit with a selection of bits and this bit holder here. You also get this high quality bit extension and a corkscrew with a screwdriver for your eyeglasses. And you also get this pouch from Victorinox with the slots for the different items. All in all, a lot of quality for 170 euros. And when we talk about a set for 430 euros, we have a lot of money to spend and we want to upgrade the pliers game with the Knipex Cobra XS for around 20 euros. One of my most used EDC pen is this Carandache 849, a high quality pen with a great pocket clip in an elegant design. This model is available for around 25 euros. And my first line of defense is always my keychain tool. This is the Victorinox Classic. It's available for 25 euros and it comes with a small blade, a nail cleaning tool, scissors, a toothpick, tweezers and a keyring. And for the perfect keychain setup we need a little flashlight. This is a Phoenix E01 version 2, a high quality flashlight with 3 different modes, and this blue version is available for around 13 euros. And when we see this set with a sharpening tool, a pouch for the multi-tool, the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit with the bit set, the Ruike knife, 2 Phoenix flashlights, the Carandache and the Maxpedition, we have a high quality EDC setup for around 415 euros. That means that we have 15 euros left for an emergency situation, a coffee or a needed phone call. In my opinion, that's a high quality set compared to the trio we talked about before. Please let me know in the comment section below which of the 3 sets would you choose. Would you go with a set around the Boker Boxer? Would you choose the high quality set for 130 euros with the Buck 112? Or would you go for the complete set I showed before?